In today's video, I'm going to teach you, insert video title here, we're going to take separate month, day, and year columns and turn them into a clean date column using one simple formula, then fill that date down the rest of your table in seconds. This works the same in most spreadsheets like Excel or Google Sheets. Start with a table that has 4 columns labeled month, day, year, and date. In the month, day, and year columns, make sure each row contains the numbers for that date. For example, 1 for January, 15 for the day, and 2026 for the year. Keeping these as numbers helps the formula work correctly. Click into the first empty cell under your date column, which might be D2 if your headers are in row 1. Now type the date function. It goes in the order year, month, day. Type Eshako date. Then click the year cell on the same row, such as C2. Type a comma, click the month cell, such as A2. Type another comma, then click the day cell, such as B2. Close the parenthesis so it looks like each date, C2, A2, B2, and press enter. You should see a proper date appear in that cell based on the values from the same row. If the date displays in a different format than you expect, that's just formatting. The underlying date is correct. You can always change how it looks using your spreadsheet's number format options later. Next, we'll fill that formula down the entire date column. Select the date you just created. In the bottom right corner of that cell, you'll see a small square handle. Hover over it until your cursor changes, then click and drag it straight down to cover all the rows that have month, day, and year values. As you drag, the formula automatically adjusts for each row, pulling the year, month, and day from that row and creating a matching date. When you release the mouse, every row in the date column should be filled with the correct date. If something doesn't look right, double check that your month, day, and year cells are numeric, and that the date formula references the correct columns in the year, month, day order. Also confirm your month numbers are between 1 and 12 and that there aren't blank cells in between. That's it. You've turned separate month, day, and year entries into a single, reliable date column and filled it down the entire list with just one formula and a quick drag.